transactions. Components of Splunk Universal Forwarder. Now let's talk about how data gets into Splunk, starting with Universal Forwarder or UF. The Universal Forwarder is a lightweight agent that sits on the source machine, say a Windows server, a Linux box, or a cloud VM. It collects logs and sends them securely to a Splunk Indexer or a heavy forwarder. Because it's so lightweight, it uses very little system resources. That makes it perfect for widespread deployment across hundreds or thousands of systems. It doesn't process the data, it just ships it. Think of it like a data delivery van that allows shows up on time, keeps your logs intact, and never get in the way. Best for low impact, scalable data collections lab. Deploy a UF on a local machine and forward event logs.